Now when you see a lateral incisor, it is too rounded out. गोल चाहिए सब तरफ से. And the mesial surface is relatively straighter as compared to your distal surface, which is very rounded out. ठीक है, it's very rounded out. Now the mesial aspect, this is mesial aspect, and this is distal aspect. The distal aspect is bulged. Why? Because it has to be in contact with canine. Now canine is again a curved surface. So canine कैसे होता है? Something like this. ठीक है? And the contact point here is approximately in middle 1/3. Now यहाँ इतना straight क्यों है? Because it is going to contact with central incisor, the distal aspect, and the contact point is at the junction of incisal and middle 1/3. It will be here. So what you see here is on the mesial aspect, lateral incisor has a contact point which is higher than on the distal aspect, right? Now the mesial aspect is relatively straighter as compared to a distal aspect. Distal aspect is more bulged. Okay? So let us make it. Now when you have drawn 6.5 assay and 5 millimeters assay, you get a box in the center, which is the place where your crown of lateral incisor should lie. See, waste, everything is waste. So you need to chop it off. The other thing is, how do you mark meso and distal? ठीक है, आप randomly 6.5 कैसे भी कर दीजिए, 5 दूसरे डायरेक्शन में कर दीजिए, and then when you get this box here, you will have to see which side is wider. है ना? It is wider. Now if you see this box, you will find this is a wider section. ठीक है? So this can be a mesial or distal, or this can be mesial distal. Let us not mark it right now, but keep it in mind कि ये दोनों में से कोई एक साइड mesial distal है. So this will be buccolingual. ठीक? Now when you see from the occlusal aspect, what you see, it is almost similar like your central incisor, where your incisal edge is in the center of the crown. The other thing what you see, if you draw a mesial aspect of lateral incisor, you also see that the long axis of the tooth is perpendicular and falls at the incisal edge and at the root apex. ठीक है? When you see canine, now canine में, now even if you see on the buccal aspect of this lateral incisor, ठीक है? If you draw a long axis, it will divide the tooth. ठीक? When you see canine, canine में क्या होता है? Now mesial aspect is slightly mesial incisal edge, तो slant है canine का, ठीक है? There is a mesial inclined of at the incisal edge, and there is a distal incline. Now the mesial incline seems to be larger than distal incline. Therefore, the apex, the cuspal height tip is off-centered than your long axis. ठीक है? ये canine का है. When you read canine, you will get it. So let us chop it off. ये समझ में आ गया? तो क्या होता है कि कुछ लोग जो कार्व कर रहे हैं वो एकदम एब्सर्ड कार्व कर रहे हैं. What they are doing is कि central incisor में if you see from the mesial aspect, what they are doing is ऐसे. ना ये तो यहाँ होना चाहिए ना. So what they are doing is they are actually cutting from here more as compared to this side. So you will have to see these points in your mind when you are carving it. Okay, so let us not waste. Cut. ठीक है. Now make sure that what you cut is either straight or slightly slanting towards the base. ऐसा ना हो कि अंदर काट दो. So then the block is wasted. Don't struggle with cutting from this part. Try cutting from the edge. So if you cut from edge, you will cut properly. See, I'm cutting from the edge. एक बार में पूरा कट जाएगा. Now this is the stump which is remaining on which we have to carve the tooth. You can clearly see that this is the wider portion as compared to this. ये वाला wider and so this has to be either medial distal or this has to be medial distal. ये buckle. Now we know that the incisal edge should be in line with the long axis. That means कि इसका सेंटर जो है हम बना देते हैं इंसिजल एज. So we mark it over here. Now this gives a reference for you not to cut extra and make it like this. The people who will skip steps will never be able to make the crown properly. Go by steps. The other thing is, if you see from the incisal edge, what you see is it is triangular in shape, right? The palatal portion is way shorter, way wider, less wider than your buccal portion. So what you have to do is make it shorter. What I'm doing is cutting it to make it shorter. And then what you see, यहाँ पर it is 6.5 and here it is 5, isn't it? So what you have to see is ये cervically it is getting narrower. So the same thing which you have to do in the wax block. ठीक है, मैंने बना दिया. राइट नो यहाँ पर मुझे नैरो करना है. सो आई डू दैट. ठीक है, now I made it narrower. Now once you are making it narrower, keep it in mind that distal aspect, this side looks more like a distal aspect because it is much more rounded. So now finally I can say that this is distal aspect and this is your medial aspect. अब क्या करना है, हमें पता है कि ये incisal edge है. Just move it around ना.